Assalamu alaikum.
I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Fine. What about you? Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine. No.
MashaAllah. That's great, MashaAllah. Okay, let's go for lesson.
1 minute.
Okay, okay. Take your time.
عليك با
Yeah, wait. Reset. A'udhu billah, bismillah first.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Rahim.
رحيم
Yeah. A'udhu billahi. Say a'udhu
أعوذ بالله
minash shay.
من الشيء
Minash shay.
من الشيء
O
تا
nirrajim.
الرجيم
Bismillah.
بسم الله
Rahman
الرحمن
Rahim.
الرحيم.
Yeah. Are you on laptop or on mobile screen?
I'm on iPad.
iPad. Can you see proper screen?
Yes.
Complete page?
Yes.
Okay, fine. That's great. Okay, start reading.
ألف با تا ثا جيم ها خا
Ah, not. It's ho. Bold it.
خا
Ho.
دال
Dal. It's not dal. Okay. Stay.
دال
Dal.
زال
No, no. This one first. Dal, dal.
دال
Yeah, dal,
لال
dal.
دال
Yeah, this is the reading method, okay? For dal. This is reading and this is the writing style, okay? And this one is reading style. Dal.
دال
When you are reading dal, in the end of dal, you will feel L sound, L. In English, L. In Arabic, lam. Okay? And then next one,
زال
it will read light, okay? Your tongue, front of your tongue will touch your front teeth side. Like it. Look at me.
زال
Lal, lal,
ذال
lal.
ذال
Zal, stretch it.
ذال
Zal, lam.
ذال
End of letter, you will feel L or lam sound. Lam. L, okay? Zal.
ذال
Zal. Like a Z.
ذال
Like a Z. Zal. But it will be light, not hard, okay? Zal.
ذال
Yeah, good. Then.
Ra.
Ra not. It's raw. Like in English, uh, in school, your teacher when say to you or other students, come in one raw, come in one raw,
Ra.
in one line. Okay, it's what
She doesn't say raw. She says row.
raw, but little bit difference. Say raw, raw. It's what raw. RAW, raw.
Raw means like not right.
Okay, but just you understand the word
Yeah.
pronunciation. Okay, I
Yes.
just this I want you understand the actual pronunciation of letter. It's
Okay.
raw. Okay,
Ra.
yeah, raw. Say raw.
Raw.
For this reason, I'm giving you the different examples. What I
Okay.
have. Okay, raw. It's a raw.
Raw.
Yeah, raw.
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 Yeah, you will feel vibration in your tongue during reading this letter. Are you feeling or not?
Yes.
Yeah, raw.
Raw.
Yeah, till one alif. The length of this letter, one alif, just raw, like it.
Raw.
Yeah, that's enough. Now come to the next one. What is it?
Za.
Za. Force on it. During reading this letter, force on it.
Zal.
Y- Za. Say
Za.
za. Za.
Za.
Yeah. Za.
Ra.
Za. It's za.
Ra.
Yeah. Za.
Ra.
Za. It's like a Z. Z sound. Say
Za.
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 Yeah. And come to the next one.
Sin.
Yeah. It's like a whistle sound. Seen.
Sin.
Good. Seen. In the end of seen, you will feel noon sound, like a N sound. Yeah. Seen. SEEN.
Sin.
Yeah. Seen. Do you know scenery? Scenery.
Yes.
Yeah. This is same like seen, and there is a scenery. So it's what seen.
Sin.
Stretch it, and your sound will be s- like a whistle. And this is the tha. Okay, between both letters, difference little bit. Okay, tha, tha, like it. Tha, tha. Your your front of tongue will touch your sides of your teeth, front teeth side. Tha, yeah. And the next one is seen. This one. Now come to
Sin.
the next one. Sh. Yeah,
Sin.
sheen, like it. Okay, sheen,
Shin.
sheen. Stretch it.
Shin.
Yeah, in the end of sheen, you will feel the N sound. Okay, SHEEN, sheen, sheen. Okay, and come to the next one. Sod. It will bold. This
Dad.
just no, just read first one. This is sod. Okay, this is the reading method. Sod.
Dad.
In the end of sod, you will feel dal sound. Dal. Okay, this sound,
Dad.
and it will read bold, like a saw. It will start from saw. I saw you. I saw you. What we say in English? I saw you
Out.
yesterday out of my home. What
Okay.
what was you doing? Okay, I saw you. So start from saw. Saw
Uh,
sound start from saw. Sawed. Say
sad.
now. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, good. Sawed. Say
Sad.
yeah. And the end of letter you will feel dal sound. Now read it. It's also
Sad.
like a it's also like a Z sound. Okay, but all four all four these four letters have an different sounds, not same sound. Okay, you felt this. Zal it will read light. Za it will read with force, and Zod it will read like different sound. Vod, vod,
Sad.
yeah, vod, stretch it.
Sad.
There is mud. Okay, that's mean I wrote here the mud top of vod. That's mean it will read with stretchness. Okay, and in the end of this letter you will feel dal sound. Vod.
Sad.
Yeah, good. Like a sod, in the end of sod you will pronounce you will pronounce dal sound. Okay, same like vod. Vod.
Sad.
Yeah, come to the next one. Oh, it's not ta. Okay, there is two letters, ta and tha. Ta will read light, and tha will read bold. Say oh.
Ta.
In English language, you will never find this letter sound. Okay, tha. Okay, you you will find t sound. T. Okay, this is ta, not
Ta.
tha. Okay, tha. This is bold.
Ta.
Your front of tongue will touch front teeth's roots,
Ta.
like it. Oh,
Ta.
oh,
Ah.
to, to. Ah, not to.
Ta.
Yeah, this. Oh, bold it. Yeah. Oh, it will read till one alif. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is ba, da, sa,
Ta.
ha, ho. Okay. Ra, za, to, and this letter, and this
Za.
letter. Yeah. And
Ta.
I will let you know in down. Uh, ha and ya, two letters others. It will read till one alif. But Jim, Dal, Dal, Sin, Shin, Sod, Zod, Ain, Ghain, and the this line from Qaf, it will read till three alif. Okay. Now after Tha, it will read Zo, Zo.
Za.
Yeah, your front of tongue will touch your sides of your front teeth. Zo, say,
Za.
yeah, zo,
Za.
zo.
Za.
It's also like a that sound, but sound is different. Okay, like there is we have four letters: Zal, Za, Va, and Vod. Four letters. Okay,
Okay.
all letters have different sound. So zo, say zo,
Za.
zo,
Za.
yeah, zo,
Za.
zo, the not zo, alif, alif,
Ah.
zo,
Za.
zo, like it, zo,
Za.
yeah, not za, okay, this is not za. Difference between za and zo,
Za.
zo, yeah. Say again.
za,
Yeah. This is what? Ain.
ain,
Ain.
ain,
Yeah, it will read from your uh, mid of throat. Ha and Ain. Mid of throat, okay? Ain. You can
ain,
you can feel it, okay? Throat. Ain.
ain,
Ain. Ain. In the end of
ain,
Ain, you will feel N or Noon sound, okay? Ain.
ain,
Yeah, good. Then it's Ghain.
gain,
Ghain.
gain,
Ghain.
gain,
Ghain. Ghain.
gain, gain,
Yeah, Ghain.
gain,
Yeah. And this one is Fa.
fa,
Fa. Your front teeth will touch your down lip. Okay.
fa,
Fa.
fa,
Fa.
fa,
Fa. One alif. Till one alif it will stretch. Qaf.
kaf,
Yeah, it's like a Q sound. Q. Okay. It will read bold. And in the end of this letter, you will feel Fa sound. Qaf.
kaf,
Qaf.
qa,
Qaf.
qa,
Qa. Not. Don't read it. Qaf. And
kaf.
Fa. Are you feeling Fa sound in the end of this letter?
Yes.
Yeah. Qaf.
Kaf,
Good. Then come to the next one. Kaf. There is also Fa sound.
kaf,
Kaf.
kaf,
Kaf.
kaf,
Yeah, come to the next one. Lam.
la,
There is Lam, Alif, and Mim. This is the Lam sound. Lam. In the end of Lam,
lam,
in the end of Lam, you will feel M sound. Okay, M, M, or Mim sound. The next one. Okay, but now we are reading Lam. Recite again. Lam.
lam,
Lam.
lam,
Lam, not Lam.
lam,
In the end, you will feel just meme sound. Lam.
lam,
Yeah, close your both lips. Lam.
lam,
Good. Now recite meme.
mim,
Yeah, in the end of meme also comes meme. M meme. Okay, meme.
mim,
Yeah, then noon.
nun,
Same like in English, what we say, good afternoon. Okay, noon,
nun,
noon. Stretch it.
nun,
Yeah. When you amazed, what you say in English?
wow,
Wow.
wow,
When you laugh, or some people laugh, how they are laughing? Ha 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 ha. This is what ha
ha,
from where? Ha, end of your throat. Ha.
ha,
Ha.
ha,
And what's the difference between this ha and the top one? Top will, this one. Top will exit from your mid of throat. Ha.
ha,
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 like it. Ha,
ha,
the cool sound. Ha, the top one, okay?
ha,
And this one is ha,
ha,
ha.
ha,
Yeah, come to the next one. This is what? Hum,
Hamza,
like it, like this ha, okay? In the starting of Hamza, this ha will read, okay? Hum,
Ham,
za. And also with this ha. Hamza. Hum,
Hamza.
yeah. This is both ha, okay? In the start
Okay.
and in this word also in the start ha, okay? This is ha. Hamza.
Hamza,
Then Hamza, za. In the end, you will feel za,
Hamza,
za,
za,
za. Quickly,
za.
yeah. Z- and the last,
Hamza,
yeah, and last one is ya in English. What we say for okay or yes,
yes,
yeah,
yeah, yeah,
yeah. Okay, ya
yeah,
and then ya.
yeah,
Ya have two dots in bottom. Okay, ya,
yeah,
ya.
yeah.
I want to give you more lesson. The next one. Just once you recite this chapter. Recite.
Alif,
No, don't stretch. There is three things when you want to read Alif. Don't stretch. One thing, don't stretch. Second thing, don't read it quickly. And third thing, read with the right way. There is wrong way as well. Okay, in reading Alif. So Alif is normal. Okay, it will read normally. Alif. When you say there is another way reading long, Alif, it's wrong. Okay, first way. And second is what? Don't read quickly. Alif, Alif, quickly, it's wrong. Say normally Alif. And the third way, the right sound of Alif. What is it? Alif. And wrong sound is Alaf or something else. People are saying, okay, read it Alif.
alif,
Alif, Alif,
alif,
Alif,
alif,
Alif, Alif.
alif.
Yeah, next one.
Ba,
What?
ba,
Oh, yeah, ba, just ba, B A A, B double A, ba.
ba,
Then
ta,
good.
fa,
Sa, sa. Then
fa, jim,
Jim. Stretch it.
jim,
Yeah, in the end of Jim, you will feel meme sound, meme, okay, or M sound. Now come to the next one.
ha,
Good. Then
fa,
I told you like it.
fa,
As some people's throat uh, not working good in winter, okay, winter season. So the throat sound will change like it. Ho,
ha,
yeah, ho. Say,
ha,
yeah, good. That sound. Then
dal,
yeah, stretch it. This is uh will read like a three alif. It will stretch. Dal.
dal,
Good.
zal,
Dal.
ral,
Good. Then
shin,
no, no, after dal, this one.
ra,
Good.
za,
Like it. Za.
za,
Force on it. Yeah. Then
Sin.
Stretch it, stretch.
Sin.
Seen.
Sin.
And this one is again once
Za.
say perfect.
Za.
Za force.
Za.
Then
Shin.
stretch. Sheen.
Shin.
Then
Sad.
sod.
Sad.
Yeah. Then
Dad.
vod.
Dad.
Good. Then
Ta.
oh more bold.
Ta.
To.
Ta.
Then
Za.
good.
Ain.
Good.
Ghain.
Good. Pretty good.
Fa.
Fa. Like it.
Fa.
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 Then
Qaf.
cough.
Qaf.
Then
Kaf.
then
Lam. Mim.
meme.
Mim.
Meme. Stretch it.
Mim.
Good.
Noon.
Yeah. Then
Waw.
good.
Ha.
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 Then
Hamza.
good.
Ya.
Yeah. You're not.
Ya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ya.
Yeah.
Ya.
You're not. It's not Farsi. Okay. Not Persian. Yeah.
Ya.
Yeah. This chapter called Mufradat. Okay.
Okay.
Every letter read separately. Okay. With spell. Like spelling. We are reading its other name also huruful hija. Huruful hija means it will read separately with hijje. Hijje means with spelling. Okay.
Mhm.
Now come to the next chapter. It's called Murakkabat. Murakkab means Murakkab mean it's mixture of two or three letters. Okay, we are joining two and three letters. So are you able to recite?
Yes.
Okay, recite quick. Thus
Alif.
we are reading. Okay, uh, where you not able to read or you are reading wrong, I will let you know. And inshallah, we will complete Qaida quickly. I want uh, perfect and quick.
Mhm. Alif.
Yeah.
Kadi. Zer.
No, no,
Ji.
there is not Zair or Zabar. This is second lesson. Just
Ji.
Alif. This is Alif, then Lam Alif, Lam Alif. This chapter.
Alif. Lam. Alif.
Yeah.
Lam. Alif. Ba. Alif.
Ba not. It's not Farsi. I told you. Ba, ba. Ba
Ba.
Alif.
Alif.
Yeah.
Mm, Alif.
This, no, no. This is, look at this. This is what you read Lam Alif. This is what Lam Alif. This is another shape of Lam Alif. This purple, it's what? Lam.
Alif.
No, no, this is Lam. And this one is Alif. This is another shape of Lam Alif. There is three. You can see. This is Lam Alif, and this one also Lam Alif. Between these letters, Ba Alif. Okay, just but all three. This one, and this one, Lam Alif. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Say Lam Alif.
Lam. Alif. Lam.
La.
Alif.
Yeah.
Ba. Alif. Lam. Alif.
Yeah. Got it? What I'm saying. This is
Yes.
also the purple color Lam. In the purple color, this is Lam, and this one is Alif in orange color. Now come to the next one. This is two letters
Lam.
joining. Okay, they are joining. They are telling you how we are joined two letters. or three letters. Now recite the next one.
Lam.
Stretch it. Same like the first
Lam.
page. Lam. Stretch it.
Lam.
Good.
Lam.
Yeah.
Alif.
Lam alif. This is also lam alif. Okay. This one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Lam alif. Say.
Lam. Alif.
Yeah. Good. Then come to the next one.
Lam. Ha.
Good. Mashallah. Then
Lam. Alif.
this is same like the upper lam alif. Okay. The up one. Now recite. There is root. Okay. In the small ba ta. Okay. This is what?
Ba.
Yeah, ba.
Ba. Lam. Ba.
Yeah. When we are going to join lam, okay, it will read like it. It will wrote like it. Okay. This is small lam. Okay. Yeah. Ba lam ba. Now come to the next one.
Ya.
No, no, this is not ya. This is kaf. Okay. Calf, this one, this is calf. Okay, you know
Okay.
this is calf. And the another shape of calf, like it, like, okay, like in the s, like s. This is
Uh-huh.
also like s, showing. And this one also calf. Okay, this
Okay.
one also calf, like, can you can see in this calf there is like s. Can you
Mhm.
see? And it's
Yes.
same like it. Look at this. This is
Mhm.
also same like it. And there is, can you see in down of this letter, calf?
Yes.
And this one is also calf. Okay. And
Okay.
this one also calf. It's also
Mhm.
showing this one like a s. And this one also like it. All in this line, in this
Kaf.
row, see calf letters. Okay.
Okay.
See calf.
Kaf.
Yeah. Also another shape
Kaf.
of calf. Calf.
Kaf.
Yeah, and this one is
Kaf. Ba.
good. And this one,
Kaf. Ba.
good, mashallah. Then,
Kaf. Alif.
very well, very well. You are going perfectly, mashallah. Next one.
Kaf. Alif.
Yeah, this is also joining. They are saying you how we will join kaf alif, okay? This is kaf alif. Now come to the next one.
Ba. Kaf. Ta.
Ta not, it's ta.
Ba. Kaf. Ta.
Yeah, there is little bit Farsi people. I think you also little bit know. They are reading Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. They are saying Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Alameen. Okay, this is Alameen. So tongue difference come sometime. Okay, so avoid it now. Say ba kaf what?
Ba. Kaf. Ta.
Ta ta just ta.
Ta.
Yeah, good good ta. This is ta. Okay, normal. Read it normally. Now read next one.
Ta. Kaf. Wa.
Sa, sa, what is it?
Sa.
Yeah, sa, ta, kaf, and three dots letter called sa.
Sa.
Good. Then next one.
Ba.
Good. Then,
Ta.
yeah, ta. Then,
Sa.
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 Good. Then,
Noon.
good. Then,
Ya.
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 Yeah, then,
Ba. Alif.
good.
Noon. Alif.
Good.
Ta. Alif.
Good.
Ta. Alif.
Yeah, two dots in down
Ya.
in bottom.
Alif.
Yeah, two dots on top. It's what? It's ta.
Ta.
and two dots in down in bottom
Yeah.
called ya. This is difference.
Ya alif.
Good, mashallah.
Ta alif.
What?
Fa alif.
Saw not. Sa
Fa
lightly.
alif.
Sa alif. Then
Mm, Basin.
don't say bo. It's ba.
Basin.
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 Bas.
Basin.
Yeah, basin. Then this one with two dots in bottom.
Tasin.
No, you are forgetting.
Yasin.
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 Yeah, don't forget two dots when you see in bottom. It will recognize what? Yeah. Yasin. And
Yasin.
two dots up. It's called
Ta.
what? Ta. And
Ta.
this one, next one,
Nun sin.
noon seen. Stretch it.
Nun sin.
Yeah, don't complete sound quickly. Noon sin. Sin not seen.
Sin.
Now come to the next one.
Tasin.
Nice.
Tasin.
Ta, ta, seen.
Ta. Tasin.
Not this one. Sa. Next.
Ta. Ta. Tasin.
Seen. Stretch.
Sin.
Come to the next one.
Sin.
No.
Jim.
Seen not. This is what? Three dots. This letter.
Swa.
This is what?
Swa.
Yeah, sa. This is same. Just three dots see. Don't see the shape. Okay? Yeah, recite.
Ji.
Tajim.
Tajim.
Yeah,
Sa.
then
Sahi.
this one.
Sa.
I am pointing the
Saha.
last one. Taha. What is it?
Taha.
Yeah. Now I will take your little bit more time because your time got waste in last 3 months. Just giving you some things. Okay. Where is marker? Yeah. Look at this. We are reading ba.
Mhm.
Ba. This is ba. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
This is ba. Okay.
Mhm.
And when we want to type or write ba, this is short form of ba.
Mhm.
Okay. This is when you see just one dot in down in bottom and shape is like it will recognize with ba. Okay. Ba.
Mhm.
Say ba.
Ba.
I'm writing here over. This is complete ba. Okay. And this is small ba. Okay. And what is it? This is ta. What?
Ta.
And this is short form of ta. In this chapter, you will see. Can you see here? Look at this is
Yes.
ta. This is short form of ta, and there is in down in bottom. This is complete ta, and this is complete tha with three dots, and this is short form of tha. We
Ta.
are not writing here the tail of tha or ta or ba. Okay,
Okay.
we cut the tail. Now there is some other letters like what is it?
Jim.
This is Jim. Not say quickly Jim. Say
Jim.
yeah. The actual sound is Jim. This is complete Jim, and I'm writing